Hi everyone, welcome back to Sprinkle of Resin. Today I will show you how to make these beautiful resin keychains. It's fun, easy and perfect for beginners. Let's get started. The first thing I did was to clean my mold. I used baby wipes in cleaning. Actually, the first thing I did was to wear my gloves. Sorry, I didn't record that part. After cleaning my mold, I measured my resin and hardener using my measuring cup. I used 1:1 resin and hardener. I measured my hardener first, then followed by my resin. After measuring, I poured into my mixing cup and started mixing. I mixed for 5 minutes or thereabout. I mixed for like 5 to 6 minutes, yes. So I'm done mixing. This keychain will be 2-layered, so I'll be using white mica powder for the base. So the next thing to do is to pour into the mold. After pouring, I left it for 24 hours. Yes, you have to leave it for 24 hours. Though some do take less time to cure, but I left mine for 24 hours. Then I used the lighter to buzz the bubbles. Please, while working with resin, make sure your workspace is well ventilated. So this is the next day. As you can see, it's cured already. So I'll be pouring the second layer. So for the second layer, I'll be using silver foil flakes. This is the silver foil flakes. I'll also be using yellow pigment and green pigment for the second layer. If you notice, you see that my mixture is getting thick. This is because I actually left it to go do something. When working with resin, you don't leave it unattended. You have to be very fast, because if not, you experience a flash cure, of which I'm about to experience now. But I had to be very fast so that I can actually pour it into the mold before it cures inside the cup. So after pouring, I used my lighter to burst the bubbles and also allow it to cure for another 24 hours. This is the second day and the second layer has cured. So the next thing I'll be doing is to dome it. This doming is just your clear resin and hardener, no colors added. This doming helps to give it that glossy look, yes, to be very shiny. So it's all cured now. The next thing I did was to demold it. After demolding, the next thing to do is to use your hand drill to drill a hole for the eye screw. So here I was done drilling the hole. Next thing I did was to add the eye screw, the jump ring and the keychains. This is the eye screw. And this is the final look of the keychains. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Sprinkle of Resin for more creative tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.